welcome back to another day of Whitley Auto Works. Now, we're continuing our series today of Rustoleum Paint Jobs Custom Mix, but instead of it being custom mix, today it's a special edition, guys. Rustoleum Paint Jobs Christmas Mix. That's right, everybody's gearing up for Christmas. It's Christmas time again. Feels like the year's just flown by, but everybody's on Amazon ordering last minute gifts, hoping that Prime gets there on time, and everybody's getting food ready for having the family together and hoping the kids will stop fighting and be good so that Santa will bring them awesome gifts. But anyways, today on Whitley Auto Works, as you've just seen, I've gone through and overhauled this fender to look just like a Christmas present. And no present will be complete without a nice topper. And the topper for today, guys, is pearl, yellow gold, just like a star you would see on top. So we're going to get to spraying this out, and you guys leave me a feedback. Let me know your favorite Christmas memory. Let me know what colors you want to see in future episodes, and let's get spraying. Alright guys, so we got everything sprayed out. Man, this really looks trippy, but hey, it's all for a good cause. Hope you guys have a wonderful Christmas this year. Man, it's been one heck of a year for Whitley Auto Works, guys. We have grown substantially. I think we've grown by like 1,400 subscribers, and oh man, it's a blessing, guys, for me. I mean, personally, I really appreciate each and every one of you all subscribing and watching these videos and getting into it. Remember, guys, at the end of this video, drop me a comment, guys. Let me know what you thought of this paint job. Was it fire? Was it poo? And also, what do you want to see next? What kind of color? What kind of pearl? You know, I think I answered a couple of questions in this one. One guy wanted to see gold pearl over green. It's on there, guys. You know, gold pearl over white. That's a really popular one too. So I hope you really enjoyed it, guys. Like I said, I thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Like, share, comment, subscribe. I'm John from Whitley Auto Works. Y'all have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you on the next one.